try not to think about it too much rather than, focusing on high quality video, strategy, etc. No. I mean, yeah, but no. Hello everyone, I'm Cindy and welcome to my YouTube channel where I untangle digital marketing for entrepreneurs, small businesses, and aspiring digital marketers. So I'm really excited about today's topic because I'm going to talk about TikTok, the social media app, and we're gonna explore it a little bit together. And by that, I mean you're gonna witness me create my first TikTok video and it might be a bit embarrassing, so stay tuned. But before I start, if you are interested in learning more about digital marketing or simply interested in promoting your business online, then this is the place for you. So please don't hesitate to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get more of my digital marketing tips and tricks. Okay, people, I have to admit, I've been kind of slacking. As a digital marketer, I'm supposed to be an early adopter. An early adopter is a person who starts using a service or a product as soon as it is available. Thank you. Thank you is a polite expression used when acknowledging a service. So with this new revolutionary app, TikTok, I haven't been early adopting. So last month, I decided to download the app and consume its content. Okay, binge watch its videos. Without being too active, I've been really trying to understand the platform and assess if it's a good advertising option for a business. So if you don't know about TikTok, it's a social media app that focuses on short videos. It's been around since 2018 and it quickly became the most downloaded app in the App Store. It's also one of the 10 most popular social media apps in the world. If you knew Vine, then it's kind of similar, except that TikTok has way more users. Like way more. 800 million active users to be exact. Think about this. Instagram has 1 billion active users. And Instagram has been around since 2010. Story time. So when I first logged in onto TikTok, to be honest, I felt out of place. I felt old. And that's because 60% of the app's users are between the ages of 16 and 24. So as I was scrolling down, I saw a bunch of teenagers doing videos and I was like, what am I doing here? But I did not let that stop me. And now I can tell you more about TikTok. So most people on TikTok jump on a viral trends train. And most of the videos are about dumb humor, lip sync, challenges, dumb humor, dances, storytelling, and dumb humor. Exhibit A.
Alexa, play bop bop mini mino bop bop bop. I need that fan 'cause I'm hot now. Can you play that? Hello? Literally play the song or I'm literally going to get mad.
Exhibit B. Exhibit C.
It all started when my mom met my dad, and they fell in love, and they had me. Hi, I'm Ryan, and my life, it's kind of crazy.
Okay, you get it. Somehow, it's very entertaining. Now let's talk about TikTok for advertising purposes. Should you be using TikTok for your business? Well, it really depends. I don't have a straight answer for you. TikTok is fairly new and it's still experimenting with brand promotions, which are still mostly about challenges. For example, there was the Big Mac TikTok challenge, which was created by McDonald's, or there was the In My Denim, which was created by Guess. So TikTok just started with ads, and I can tell you this, it's definitely growing as an influencer marketing platform. Now, if Gen Z is a big part of your target audience, and you're not already on TikTok, you're missing out big time and you need to tap into that yesterday. If you are targeting millennials, then I would definitely consider it. There are more millennials that are trying out the platform, and I guess it's because we don't want to feel old yet. I don't know. If you're targeting older generations, then I don't really see the necessity of being on TikTok yet. I would just focus on the platforms where my target audience really is. Now, if you were an influencer, a comedian, a magician, a makeup artist, an actor, a singer, a dancer, a content creator, then TikTok would be a very good option to broaden your reach. So if you have a brand or a business and you've decided to join TikTok, just remember that you need to be your authentic self, raw. Think of it as the fun side of your business. TikTok is everything but serious. So try to be more silly. Try not to think about it too much rather than, focusing on high quality videos, strategy, etc. No. I mean, yeah, but no. You can jump on the trend, show your fun side, create a challenge, work with an influencer, etc. I know it's easier said than done, so I invite you to explore the app and get more inspiration. On that note, I'm now gonna do my first TikTok video with you guys, girls. Wow. Okay, I think I found a pretty cool trend. I'm gonna try it. So my video is up and I guess I'm officially a TikToker now. And that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, then please give it a like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time on my next video.